So guys, this is PTI access road, that is from PTI flyover down to DSC flyover access roads. Today I'm out to showcase to you how the pedestrian and the access route is looking like at this moment. You take a closer look, you see that construction is ongoing on in this access road that leads from PTI Junction down to DSC flyover. If you take a look, you see that the asphalt lay machine has just finished its section of the road, and the workers are working on this other part of the road to ensure that maybe before next week runs out, the entire road will be completely asphalted, maybe with phase 1 and subsequently phase 2 of the asphalt, and this road will be open to commuters to pass. If you take a look at that, where that look at this area now, you see that this area has been asphalted already this morning, paving ways for vehicles to pass. This is where you have this Robinson Plaza, and this is the PTF flyover. This area has been asphalted as we speak. So anywhere from now, you see that this area will be open up for pedestrians to pass through this area. This is on top of the bridge, the DSC and the PTI flyover bridge. This area has been long been completed and vehicles are already passing it. We are waiting a road marking and so on and so forth. If not, they have fixed the street lights. When you come to this place in the night, the whole of this area will always illuminate. You have this Falcon Bay filling station by the side of the flyover. Then this is the PTI Junction proper. For people who have been long that have visited this period, they normally find it difficult to identify this place because Julius Berger has reshaped this area. The entire PTI junction has been opened up. The whole road has been tied on both sides, so the traffic has been reduced significantly in this PTI junction. I think I have to give a kudos to the Delta State governor for this wonderful initiative, himself and his team, for the wonderful work they did. They have reshaped this area. We are only praying that the express junction in the two area should be put into consideration, so that maybe a flyover will be put in that area to make that area have a sense of belonging in this Warri metropolis. People always say that don't call here Warri, but there's no way somebody who is living in Afar, you will be telling the person you are going to Effurun. You will find it difficult, but when you use the word Warri, we get you immediately. If not, this is Effurun. Then the other side, I make sure Udu area. That one is Udu, under Udu local government area. But the name Warri Metropolis has covered the entire place. So for those who are always angry with me that why are you calling here Warri? This you have to pardon my words. But it's just that it's part of the name that has covered the entire place. You go to Lagos, Lagos has different local governments in Lagos State, but they call everywhere Lagos, irrespective of the local government. Even in Benin, if you go to Benin now, there are many local governments in Benin, but they call every Benin city, irrespective of the local government. So people should pardon my words. I'm only trying to describe the area to my viewers to get a glimpse of what I'm talking about. So without no further ado, this is the access road that leads from the PTI Junction if you're heading to Effurun and Warri. Then this other access road is when you are coming from Effurun and Warri. No, this one leads to Effurun and Warri. Why this one? You are coming from Effurun and Warri and you are heading to PTI Junction. This is the access route. This one has been completed with the second phase and it has been tied. And this is the runabout proper in the PTI Junction. If you take a look, you see that all the street lights in this area have been taken care of. They are even working at the bottom of the bottom. Then at the bottom end of this flyover, I think this area was tied this morning. This way you have the Robinson Plaza. It was tied this morning with the first phase of asphalt. Then maybe by next week or thereabouts, this entire place will be open up for vehicles to pass. That means the entire road system has been completed except the drainage that will be undergoing some casting. If not, the drainage has been done and been put in place. So those are just a minimal work that will be taking some time, maybe a space of 1 month or thereabouts. Everything must have been completed in this area. So this is the asphalt or the quota machine. Then you see this machine is removing dust from this area. They are working on this place to ensure that they will continue the asphalt lane this afternoon to make sure that this area is fully tied. See the machine is removing dust, all the entire dust, all the entire waste away in this area. That machine is removing the dirt from that place so that they can start laying another asphalt in that area. So guys, this is the other side of the flyover and the DSC runabout area. You see that mesh, that truck that is there and the crane. They're trying to fix electric the light in that area. Then in this place, you see that the asphalt lay machine has started laying asphalt on the ground. You know, I show you the other machine that was cleaning up this area. Machine has cleaned up the area now, and the asphalt laying machine have started laying asphalt on this section of the road. That is to tell you that the Julius Berger are not playing. See the asphalt, they are laying asphalt in this section of the road as we speak at this moment. So guys, share your thought on what you are seeing on this area, because significant work is taking place in this section of the road. So if you remember, this project started around the October, November 2023, and lo and behold, this project is coming to completion. Thank you.
So, hello guys. I am currently in this pedestrian bridge of Effurun here, very close to BSC roundabout and the PTI. a flyover bridge, and I've been going around to showcase to you this access road that they are doing in this PTI Junction down to DSC roundabout. You know, this access road for some time now, they have been blocked since May, and we are in June. And from what I'm seeing here now, maybe between now and June ending, this access road will be completely fully tied, because to take a look at what they have been doing since I came this afternoon, I saw that they've already tied some area, and as we speak now, they are currently working in this area. Maybe they want to equally do some level of tide in this area. So guys, that is why I came to showcase to you what is currently going on in this area. So guys, I believe that this video has resonated some value to you. If you like what you see on this my video, give my videos a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And always remember to super chat me or buy me coffee so that I can be going around to showcase to you different level of construction that is ongoing in this area of the Delta State. Because this project has been started in October, November 2023. But as we speak now, the project is almost completed. Maybe they will now switch over to the other side of the runabout, because more work is taking place at the other side, which you guys need to see. And you know, there's already an existing flyover in that area. But with this interchange, global facelift, and the pedestrian bridge that is taking place in that area, that area is going to wear a new look. So that is why I decided to showcase to you what is currently happening in this area. So guys, just share your thoughts on what you are seeing on this road, and remember to share my video to others so that they can follow up on what is happening in Delta State. Thank you.